Anna, wake up, honey. It's 6:30 already. You will be late to school. Wake up.
Hi, Mommy. Can I sleep just for 10 more minutes, please? I am really sleepy.
No way, Anna. The school starts at 7, so you need to be in a hurry. The school bus will pass our house in 15 more minutes.
Okay. I feel so tired.
Are you okay, darling? Let me see. Oh no, you are so hot. I think you have got a fever.
Really? But I feel cold, Mommy.
Oh my goodness, I think I infected you.
What? Oh, yeah. You have been sick for a couple of days, and now it's my turn. Can I be off for school today?
Do you feel very bad?
Yes, and I did not finish my homework either. I felt exhausted last night, so I went to bed early, although everything's were incomplete.
All right, your voice is so terrible, Anna. Let me call your teacher.
Thanks, Mom. Please tell her to send me the lesson on mail. I will study by myself at home when I feel a little bit better.
All right, babe, now lie down. You can sleep more if you want.
It's okay. I'm about to brush my teeth and wash my face. I'm not feeling sleepy anymore.
Hi, Miss Michelle. I am Anna's mom. I am calling you to ask for Anna to be up today because she is not feeling well.
Oh, so sad. What's the matter?
I think she just got the flu. All the members of my family are sick too, but I am not certain about that. We will observe the situation. We may come to see the doctor in the afternoon.
It sounds bad. Please take care of yourself. The weather is changing. Many students of mine have been sick recently.
Thank you, Miss Michelle. Can you send me this lesson by email? I will support Anna with that when she feels a little bit better.
Of course. I will send them out later. If you need any help, just call me.
Thanks a lot. I wish you a great day. Goodbye.
Goodbye. I hope you and Anna will be well soon. What did my teacher say, Mommy?
She said that some of your friends are sick too, and you don't have to worry about the class. She will send the lesson later, and I can assist you with that.
Thank you, Mom.
How do you feel now? Have you got a headache?
No, but I feel a little bit of dizzy.
How about your throat?
It hurts so much, Mommy. I could not swallow, and I cough sometimes.
Is your nose running?
No, but I hardly breathe by the nose. I have to open my mouth to take the air.
Do you feel stomachache or get diarrhea?
Not this morning, but I did yesterday. I ate some sausages and fish bowl with friends in the canteen at school.
Oh, what did I tell you about junk food, Anna?
Yes, Mommy, I am so sorry. They were very tasty. I could not help myself and ate them all. I'm sorry.
Let me get you some medicine. But before that, I need to take your temperature. Do you remember where I put the thermometer?
I think it is in the first aid kit.
Oh, that's right. Now, lift your armpit up. Okay, put it down, please. Let's wait a moment. Are you still cold?
Yes, Mommy. I don't know why, but I'm freezing even though the weather looks sunny outside.
It's because you have a fever, honey. Your body temperature is 38.5 degrees Celsius.
Is it bad, Mommy?
I believe so. Alright, let's move to the kitchen. In the meantime, I'll make you breakfast and you should get some exercise.
Huh? Do exercise? I don't know if that's a good idea.
Come on, laying down on the bed for the whole day doesn't help at all. Instead of that, you should manage meal to moderate physical activity, such as standing up and going around the house. It will open your nasal passages and temporarily relieve nasal congestion.
Oh, I understand, Mommy. I will try.
What do you want for breakfast, Anna?
Anything, Mommy.
Would you like a bowl of hot noodle soup?
Sure, that would be awesome.
Okay, it will take about 10 minutes. Alright, you can turn on YouTube on the TV, then you search for some exercise tutorial and follow it.
Yes, and in case you don't remember, I don't want any onion in my noodles.
Okay, I'll move them out. Anna, come over here. Your breakfast is done.
Wow, it smells delicious. Can I have some chili sauce?
No, it is not good for your throat. Wait for me. I will prepare some medicine for you. You need to drink them all after you are done with your meal.
Thanks, Mom.
The white pill is for your head. This red one will help with antipyretic.
Do you feel better today, Mommy? I heard your voice too bad.
Yeah, I don't feel sick anymore. But I think I have lost my sense of taste or smell.
Really? Should we come to see the doctor?
Yes, we should. I called our doctor already. She said we could come to her office in the afternoon.
I am so scared. I don't want to stay in the hospital. Do you think we are infected with COVID-19?
I don't know yet. The diagnostic test kits are out of stock. I could not buy any of them.
I am done, Mommy. Can I take the medicine now?
Yes, of course. Take a cup of water over here, babe.
Ew, it's so bitter.
Do you want some orange juice?
Yes, please.
If we are really infected with SARS-CoV, we will stay home for 14 days.
Oh no, that means I won't be able to go to school? I will miss my teacher and my friends a lot. How about my lesson?
In that case, maybe your teacher will let you to study online.
Huh? No, studying online is boring.
But we don't have a choice, babe. First and foremost, safety.
Okay, I'm so sad. Can I go back to my bedroom? I've started to feel uncomfortable.
Sure, babe. I will call you when it's time to see the doctor. Just take a short nap.